I don't approach you the way you want me to approach you. Just remember, I'm just a man under construction. Sometimes I look up to my brothers and sometimes they fall short. But I'm holding to God because I know at the end of the road, y'all, we can hold on. We can make it to the end. Can't you see? I'm just a man under construction. And sometimes I get in the middle of the pathway. Sometimes it seems like I just want to go halfway. But I'm just a man under construction. But I know if I hold on to God, God can reconstruct me. Because something in me that's holding on to God, it is grasping me. My whole heart is close to God, y'all. I'm going to run with God for the rest of my life. I'm just a man under construction. So to the wives out there, you're not doing what you really want to do, just stay on your knees and pray and let God see you through. Because I'm just a man under construction. So I stay on my knees each and every day because it was me. I've been ran away. I could have been divorced already. Yeah, I'm just talking the truth, but I'm just a man under construction. And God can see you through. So my brothers, fathers, and dads, all y'all males out there, I'm telling y'all to hold on to God's unchanging hand, because I'm just a man under construction. But I'm going to pass the mic to my brother Glenn, because this is a man that's loving God, because he's just a man under construction.
Don't look at me, don't look at Kate, don't look at Mel, because we just men under
construction.
The pastor, the bishop, we all fall short. But they just men under
construction.
Don't hate, congratulate, but we just men under
construction.
God bless.
Come on, clap your hands, God brothers. We just released the